This was I claim K1A Fitman channel with everybody. Những video này nhưng mà hạt để tông cho nên six pack, yes, six pack. But this routine can say just a normal routine, but it's hard to practice or it's hard to complete the set that we have to complete. Yeah. Because we spend the power with our whole body, knee rest, yes, just knee rest and leg and arm swing together, yeah, and knee swing with the body as well. So this way is kind of exercise as well. Yes, we can make our core big harder and harder and cutter, like swing our body, elbow and knee together, yeah, right, left, right and left, and swing leg, yes, to the arm, yeah, together, and have a pull bar and knee rest. Our core will gain more and more. When it's harder and harder if you practice by yourself. So just release, no more, but the result is good.